सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 83, verse 16. स्वयं ज्योतिर्भवेत्येषः ज्योतिर्भवत्येषः पुरोऽस्माद्भासतेऽखिलात् तमेव भान्तमन्वेति तद्भासा भास्यते जगत्. Vidyaranya, taking the support of Shruti to establish this Atma is not an objectifiable entity. Atma doesn't require any objectification because Atma happens to be the subject, I myself. Swayam Jyotihi, self-effulgent. It can never be objectified. This is called Atma Jnanam. I, the Atma, am the subject, never the object. I, the Atma, is none other than Brahman alone. Therefore, just as the other objects require a vritti vyapti and phala vyapti. I used those two terms in the last class, vritti vyapti and phala vyapti. Little bit technical, I would like to clarify those two statements. I was talking about the process of knowledge, how we get the knowledge, the process. When I see the object, I get that object knowledge. How am I getting? That thought pervades the object. Flower thought. Once the thought from the mind, it goes and pervades the object. Then that thought by itself is jadam. It cannot travel and pervade the object. It goes along with the Chidabhasa, RC. Vritti is RM, reflected medium. In that vritti, reflected medium, the chit forms in that vritti, it is known as Chidabhasaha. Abhasa means what? Chittunudaya abhasa, reflection of the chit. The Chidabhasa enlivens the inert thought to pervade the flower. Then along with the vritti, then RC also travels and pervades the flower. So once the thought pervades the flower is called vritti vyapti. When the thought pervades the flower, vyapti means pervasion. Vritti means thought. So thought pervades the flower is called vritti vyapti. As the vritti vyapti taking place, the chaitanyam is already there, RC. In the form of RC, Chaitanyam is there, Pratibimba Chaitanyam. That Pratibimba Chaitanyam helps to give the phala vyapti. That Pratibimba Chaitanyam helps the vritti to get the phala vyapti. What do you mean by phala vyapti? Pushpa jnanam. Pushpa jnanam is called phala vyapti. What is the phalam? Result of seeing the flower. No? Knowledge of the flower is the result, phalam. Therefore, phala vyapti. So, to get flower knowledge, it is preceded by what? Flower vritti. Pushpa jnanam, before it arises, you require pushpa vritti. Without pushpa vritti, you cannot get pushpa jnanam. Pushpa jnanam is not possible without pushpa vritti. Pushpa vritti is useless without pushpa jnanam. Are you getting the point? Pushpa vritti, flower thought, is no use without pushpa jnanam. Pushpa vritti for what sake? For pushpa jnanam. The flower knowledge preceded by flower thought. Flower thought leads to flower knowledge. Flower thought leads to flower knowledge. The flower knowledge is called phala vyapti. Flower thought is called vritti vyapti. Clear? This with regard to the drishtanta. With regard to drishtanta, example. Now you have to apply this principle, the process, to Atma Jnanam. Aham Brahmasmi. What happens in Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam? Atma Jnanam also is a vritti. Now forget about the flower. Come to our Mahavakya. Aham Brahma Asmi. What is the purpose of vilindu padikram edukkaha shastram? To claim finally Aham Brahma Asmi. So to get Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, that is phalam. Okay, that phalam, you require again process, just as the flower knowledge you get, you have to get Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. Any Jnanam is same process, but there is a small difference between Pushpa Jnanam and Atma Jnanam. Okay, now you have to listen more carefully. Up to example is little bit easy. Aham Brahmasmi Mahavakya Tatu Tvamasi, when Guru says, I have to get Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam. See, Jnanam, knowledge. அங்கே எப்படி புஷ்ப ஜானமோ இங்கே என்ன ஞானம்? ஆத்ம ஞானம். அகம் பிரம்மா இதி ஆத்ம ஞானம். Now in this ஞானம் process, now look at the process. RM and RC, this vritti has to pervade the vritti which arises in this ahankara. Aham brahma iti vritti. Vritti vyapti pervades what? Atma, Chaitanyam. Vritti vyapti pervades the Atma, Chaitanyam. In vritti vyapti it is called. What vritti? There flower vritti. Inga enna vritti? Atma vritti. When Guru says Tatu Tvamasi, you are Brahman, this vritti has to hold on to Atma. Atma vritti. ஏன்னா அந்த ஆத்ம ஜானத்துக்கு ப்ரீவியஸ் என்ன இருக்கணும்? பிஃபோர் ஆத்ம ஜானம் ஆத்ம விருத்தி இருக்கணும். ஸோ தட் ஆத்ம விருத்தி பர்வேட்ஸ் ஆத்மா. ஆத்ம விருத்தி பர்வேட்ஸ் ஆத்மா. ஓகே, ஆத்மா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் விருத்தி வியாப்தி. விருத்தி வியாப்தி. நவ் in external objects, along with vritti vyapti, what went along with the vritti vyapti? RC went there. RC went there to give what Jnanam? Phala Jnanam, Pushpa Jnanam. RC gave the Phala Jnanam because Chaitanyam is called Jnanam. That's why you got the Phala Pushpa Jnanam because of that Chaitanyam. Because Chaitanyam is of conscious nature. RC means what? Reflected consciousness. That way that consciousness is called Jnanam. That Jnanam gives what? Phala Pushpa Jnanam. Similarly, here also Vritti Vyapti gone. Now what has to go again next? RC has to go. According to Drishtanta, RC gone to the Pushpa. Therefore, Pushpa Jnanam you have got. Now you require what Jnanam? Atma Jnanam. Apo RC has to go to pervade Atma. Isn't it? புஷ்பம் பார்க்கும்போது ஆர்சி போன மாதிரி இங்கே கூட என்ன போகணும்? ஆர்சி போகணும். ஆனால் இந்த ஆர்சி போய் என்ன பண்ணணும்? நமக்கு ஆத்மா ஞானங்கிற பலம் கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஆத்ம விருத்தி கான் ஆல்ரெடி. இப்போ ஆத்ம விருத்திக்கு பின்னாடி என்ன போகணும்? ஆர்சி போகணும். ஆர்சி போய் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆத்ம ஞானம் அங்கிற பலம் கொடுக்கணும், பல வியாப்தி கொடுக்கணும். இஸ் இட் இட்? பல வியாப்தி கொடுக்கணும். Now this Atma Vritti already it has gone. Along with this RC need not go. RC need not go because it is not an external outside object RC to go. In the flower Vishayantala, object is outside. Therefore RC has to go outside. Whereas Atma happens to be myself, consciousness, the RC really blessed by whom? By me, the consciousness. Is RC required to prove the OC, Atma? Is RC required to prove the OC, that is called Atma Phalam, Atma Jnanamangara Phalam? This RC can give? RC need not give. Why? This Atma is self-evident. That's called Swayam Jyotihi. Swayam Jyotihi. RC is depending upon the OC Atma. How RC can show, give the Phala Jnanam, Atma Jnana Phalam? RC has to give Atma Jnana Phalam. Child has to introduce mother or mother has to introduce child? Child has to introduce mother or mother has to introduce child? First. Mother has to introduce the child. Here na mother first or child first? Without mother, child cannot exist. RC is like a child. OC is like a mother. The child RC need not come to show OC. Phala Vyapti Teva illai. என்ன? ஆத்ம ஞானம்ங்கிற பல வியாப்தி தேவையில்லை. ஆத்ம விருத்தியே போதும். விருத்தி வியாப்தி இஸ் சஃபிஷியன்ட். Because Atma is self-evident. One more important point. Why Atma is self-evident? Why Phala Vyapti is not required? Na? Pushpam is Jadam. Pushpam is Jadam. Therefore RC is required. Atma is not Jadam. Atma is not Jadam to have a Phala Vyapti like Pushpam. Pushpa Jnana Vishayathila Pushpam Jadam. Whereas Atma Jnana Vishayathila Atma Angarade, and Pushpam Epidio Inga Atma. Okay, and the Pushpam place la Inga Atma. And Pushpa Vritti Vyapti Inga Atma Vritti Vyapti. And Pushpa Jnana Phala Vyapti, that is. Here, Atma Jnana Phala Vyapti ki in the RC Tevai illai. Here na Atma Jadam or Chetanam? Chetanam. Chetana Vastu doesn't require any Chidabhasa to prove the Chaitanyam which is self-evident. Whereas other than Chaitanyam, any blessed object is Jadam, it requires RC. It requires RC, reflected consciousness. It required reflected consciousness because it cannot self-luminous. It is not self-effulgent. Atma is self-effulgent or effulgent because of something. Since Atma is self-effulgent, it doesn't require phala-vyapti. It doesn't require phala-vyapti. It requires only what? Vritti-vyapti. What vritti? Atma jnana-vritti. Jnana-vritti. Atma jnana-vritti, once it comes, aham brahmasmi takes place. Because I happens to be Brahman, Chaitanya, Atma, phala-vyapti doesn't require. Phala-vyapti doesn't require. Still you have some difficulty in understanding this phala-vyapti. I give one example. To see this flower, light is required. You see this flower because of what? Light. Because flower is not self-luminous. To see light, what light you require? To see light, what light is required? You see the flower in the presence of light. Why flower is not self-luminous? To see light, I see light, but light doesn't require another light. Why? In the periya kelvi. To see flower, you require light. To see light, you don't require another light. So, by seeing light itself, light is evident because self-luminous. This example, go and contemplate on this. Like that, Atma is like a light. To see everything, just as light is required to know every object, Atma, Chidabhasa is required. To know Atma, no Chidabhasa required. That is called no phala-vyapti required. Vritti-vyapti eva podum. Enna vritti-vyapti? Atma jnana vritti-vyapti eva paryaptam. Enough. Why? Swayam jyoti bhavati eshaha. Atma happens to be Swayam Jyotihi, self-effulgent. Eshaha Atma. Who is this Eshaha? Aham. I am. I am this Atma. Swayam Jyotihi. That is why I never doubt my presence. I never doubt my presence. To see that person, this person, vritti vyapti required, chidabhasa also has to go, phala vyapti required. நான் இருக்கேன்ங்கிற விருத்தி போதும் நான் இருக்கேன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. அப்போ நான் இருக்கேன்னு இல்லையான்னு வெரிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கு வேற இன்னொரு ஆத்மா வேணுமா? தேவையில்லை. பல வியாப்தி தேவை இல்லை. ஸ்வயம் ஜோதி பிரகாஷா. நமக்கு ஏன் புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது? புரிஞ்சா wonderful. Suppose still I have got doubts, I am not able to assimilate this fact, and what is the problem? I will tell you. What is the problem? Shastra says, you are, when you say I am, you are mixing with all attributes. Sharira Trayam you are including in your I. That is the problem. When you say you are listening as Ahankara, including as Jiva you are listening. I told you in the last class, when Jivatvam comes, I include Sthula Shariram in me, I include Manas in me, I include what? All Indriyams in me, I am a Jivaha. In the I include all the attributes of the body, mind complex, I am a Jivaha. I superimposed Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, all attributes of the mind, body, I attribute to me, the consciousness. This is the problem. What Shastra says, exclude. Mano buddhya hankara chittani naham. And the I angara, non angara, in the manasu buddhi chitta hankara na aham mani taniya talli vekkanum. அது வைக்க மாட்டோம் நம்ம, அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். அப்போ பல வியாப்தி என்ன பல வியாப்தி வரமாது. என்ன மனசு புத்தி அந்த யானை மாதிரி. I told you, no, that elephant put dust on its own body. We put all the dust of this what? Anatma. Anatma, Sariram, Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, Punya, Papa, Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha. Enna? ஒரே குப்பை தொட்டி இந்த அனாத்மான்னு போய் அந்த ஆத்மாக்குள்ள மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி உட்கார்ந்து கேட்டா ஒண்ணுமே புரியாது. அதுக்குதான் வருஷ கணக்கில் சொல்லிண்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதாயிடும். அது நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் தள்ளி வைக்க கூடாதோ 1 hourன்னா and we carry the house also, servants also to the class. சரீரத்ரயம் மட்டுமே இல்லை, we carry family members, servant, driver, எல்லாருமே. ஏன்னா நம்ம மனசுல வந்து உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான். கரெக்டாக பல வியாப்தி விற்பி வியாப்தி பேசும்போது சர்வெண்ட் ஏதோ சொன்னா காலையில் அது ஞாபகம் வந்துடும். போச்சு, பல வியாப்தி போச்சு, விற்பி வியாப்தி போச்சு. இந்த வாட்டி எத்தனை கிளாஸ் கேட்டு இருப்போம்? How many classes we are listening like this with the distracted mind? With the distracted mind we are listening. What do you mean by distracted mind? Aham associated with manas, buddhi, chitta, ahankara. Why I am not able to keep them away? I am not disidentifying. I am giving reality to them. I am not keeping them as what they are. Body, mind. You use the body, mind, but don't identify with the body, mind. That is why this phala vyapti, vritti vyapti, swayam jyoti, and even Peter Marks light, swayam jyoti, you are taking yourself body. That is why difficult. What Vidyaranya says, Pancha Bhuta Shariram, Annamaya Kosha, keep it aside. Pranamaya Kosha, keep it aside. They are instruments. Jadam, they are. Anatma, Savikaram, Sagunam, Achetanam. How can you include when you are saying, I am? So, intelligent person, a mature Vedantic seeker is one who receives the teaching, always keep the Anatma instruments separate as he or she is interacting. Interact பண்ணும்போதே இந்த தாட் ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும் எப்பவுமே மனசுக்குள்ள. இப்போ நான் பேசும்போதே I am very much using my body, I am very much using my Vagindriyam, I am very much using my mind. I am using, therefore I can become the body. Can I become Vak? Can I become the mind? I am the user. They are used by me. This is called Muktihi. Atma Jnana. This is called Atma Jnana. It's not a big thing. Very simple. Very simple. That helps, Shastra helps you. The more you listen to Shastra, it will help you. Shastra job is that only. It will never go waste. Each sentence will go and sit in your mind like a bug வந்ததா ஞானம்னு கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கும். இட் வில் நெவர் லீவ் யூ. ஓகே, பல வியாப்தி புரிஞ்சதா கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கும். விருத்தி வியாப்தி பல வியாப்தி. வை ஸ்வயம் ஜோதிஹி ஏஷஹ ஆத்மா. ஏஷஹ means what? Very approximate. This atma means what? Aham. நான் எது சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கானோ அந்த நான் excluding body mind complex. By excluding physical you cannot function again. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணணும்? இப்போ பாடி மைண்ட் இருந்து தான் ஆகணும். அது யூஸ் பண்ணிண்டே. See, there is no pot. Without pot, what to talk of pot? Keep pot in your hand and say, there is no pot. Without pot, there is no pot. Already pot is not there, Swamini. Why to talk? அது மாதிரி without body mind, Atma, I, the consciousness cannot talk. There is no vritti jnanam, there is no atma jnanam, there is no phala jnanam. Nothing is required, nothing is there. What is the beauty now? Let us have body, mind, let us have Galata time. This is our Galata time. Worldly people, Galata time is what? Worldly entertainments. Namma Galata time enna theriyumo? Vedanta seekerku body manasu vechinde ஒரு பூந்து விளையாட்டு. புரியுறதா? பாடி மனசு வச்சுட்டே இது ஒரு பூந்து விளையாட்டு மாதிரி. ஐ பிளே வித் திஸ் நாம ரூபா. ஆல் நாம ரூபாஸ் ஆர் லைக் பபிள்ஸ் arise in me and disappear in me. What a knowledge! How one can miss this knowledge? How one can miss? Swayam Jyotihi Bhavati Eshaha. This is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad quoting. Then Pura Asmat Bhasati Akhilat. Akhilaha Asmat. Before this entire universe come to know who is there. I, the Atma, I am there before coming to know every object. Okay? ஃப்ளவர் ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி யார் இருக்கணும்? நான் இல்லைன்னா ஃப்ளவருங்கிற ஞானம் எப்போ வரும்? மைக் இஸ் தேர் டு டாக் அபவுட் மைக். பிஃபோர் மைக் ஞானம் ஐ, தி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் மஸ்ட் பி தேர். புரஹா அஸ்மாத் ஜகதஹா புரஹா. அகிலாத் மீன்ஸ் ஜகத், யூனிவர்ஸ். பிஃபோர் தி என்டையர் யூனிவர்ஸ் ஐ கம் டு நோ. Entire universe means what? Whatever I am seeing, objects in my house, in the body, before I am knowing the body itself, am I evident to myself or not? Before I am knowing the hand, I am there or not? I know this hand, this is hand. To know this is hand, I should be there first. Then only hand is there. Sambar is there. To know the sambar, you must be there. That means what? Akhilat asmat puraha means before. Before indicates time. Puraha, before. Bhasate. Bhasate means what? It shines. Who? I, the consciousness, shines before I am conscious of anything. I, the consciousness, shine and evident. Before I am one sentence I want to tell you. Before I am conscious of any object, I, the conscious entity, am I there or not? If you say no, you cannot be conscious of anything. Before I say I am conscious of so and so, I, the conscious entity, must be there. Without me, I cannot conscious of anything. Therefore, who is first? I, the consciousness, am the first. Then only what I am conscious of is next. Then who is first, who is next must be clear for you. This is clear? நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் தெரியுமோ? Panchadasi, non-Panchadasi students are doing what? Non-Panchadasi students, all ignorant, non-Vedantic students doing what? They are thinking what they are conscious of is first. Who is conscious of, they have totally forgotten. You are also want to join with them. You are all thinking people now, understand? They are all non-thinking people. Even your dearest husband, no choice here. If they understand, okay. Even dearest wife, dearest son, dearest daughter also, if they do not know, they are non-thinking people. This is the knowledge. This is called Atma Jnanam. This is called Moksha. Who says? Uttara Tapaniya Upanishad says, the second half of the first line, Uttara Tapaniya Upanishad. Nrisimha Uttara Tapaniya Upanishad. Second line, Tameva Bhantam Anveti Tadbhasa Bhasyate Jagat. This is from Katopanishad, Mundakopanishad, Shvetashvatara Upanishad. This mantra comes everywhere. When you give arati, na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam kannu moodindi appadi namaskar. Deva vidyuto bhanti kutoyam agnihi. Kannu moodradhu edukku theriyumo? Paakradella anatma. Paaka mudiyadadu atma aham anida kannu moodikaram. Those who are closing eyes, they do not know that also. Without their knowledge, they are closing their eyes. What it means, you know? Whatever we see outside is anatma. What cannot be seen, that is atma. Therefore, I close my eyes. This is my nirvachanam. This is my definition of the people who are all closing their eyes. This is the right definition. They also do not know who are closing. I give the right definition. What it means? Whatever we see outside is anatma. I, the consciousness, swayam bhati. I cannot see myself, therefore eyes cannot function. I close my eyes. Over Vedanta. Okay. Na tatra suryaha bhati, na chandraha bhati. Just he quotes one word. Tameva bhantam. Means what? You experience the flower, you experience the clip, you experience the mic, you experience the book, you experience the fan, tameva bhantam. Because of which Chaitanyam, everything is evident. That is the meaning of tameva bhantam. Because of I, the consciousness, everything is evident. When I say I, the consciousness, everything is evident, excluded consciousness or included consciousness? Excluded consciousness anna Shuddha Chaitanyam. Included consciousness anna Ashuddha Chaitanyam. Excluded consciousness means what? Pure consciousness. Included means what? Manasu, buddhi, chitta, ahankara included. When I say because of me, the consciousness, everything is evident, tameva bhantam. When I say which I? Excluded or included? Excluded anatma I or included anatma I? Excluded anatma I. When I am listening to Shastra, I have to do this division. Excluded anatma, included anatma. When you are eating, included anatma. When you are interacting with the people, included anatma. When you are saying aham brahmasmi, excluded anatma. If you include, it is not aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, brahmasmi. So Kathopanishad says, Mundaka, Kata, Sveta, Shvetara, consciousness, experience included in Ghatagyanam, Patagyanam, Pushpagyanam, Vrikshagyanam, Sarvagyanam, Anuyeti. Consciousness is in every jnana. Tameva bhantam, every object is experienced by me, and I am experiencing every object. Tam anveti. Anveti means what? It follows. In every knowledge proves whose presence? I, the consciousness, am present. Now when Atma or Brahman is not evident, tell me now. Pratibodha viditam matam. In every knowledge, knowledge is called consciousness. I am conscious of. So in every knowledge, who is evident? Consciousness is evident. Who is that consciousness? I myself. That I myself am Brahman. So I, the Atma, the consciousness, am Brahman. Now Brahma Jnanam vandada illaya? Vandada? Aham Brahma iti Jnanam. I recognize I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman. None of us lacking Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Anubhava, none of us lacking. This Brahma Anubhava itself is Brahma Jnanam, we do not know. Now? You know? Okay. Brahma Anubhava முன்னாடி இருந்தது, இப்போ இருக்கு, எப்பவுமே இருக்கும். பட் அந்த அனுபவம் தான் பிரம்மமனி எனக்கு தெரியல. பஞ்சதசி படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் தெரியறதா இல்லையா? தெரியறது. அப்பா. So before you are coming to the class also, that jnanam is there or not? Flower jnanam, pushpa jnanam, vritti jnanam. நான் இருக்கேனுங்கிற ஞானம் இருந்ததா இல்லையா? அப்ப பிரம்மன் இருக்காரா இல்லையா? இருந்தார். ஆனாலும் அந்த பிரம்மனே நான் தானே தெரியல. அண்ணா பிரம்ம அனுபவம் we are not lacking. பிரம்ம ஞானம் we were lacking. Now we are not lacking. Now you have Brahma Jnanam. Aham Brahma Asmi. Next shloka. So Tadbhasa Jagat Bhasyate. Tadbhasa na Chaitanya Bhasa. By Chaitanyam, who is that Chaitanyam? Who is that Chaitanyam? Appa. என்ன ரெண்டு வாட்டி கேட்கணுமா அதுக்கு? Who is that Chaitanyam? Like mother asks the baby, யாருன்னா தங்க கண்ணான். அந்த அம்மா கேட்பா குழந்தைன்னு, யாரு என்னோட தங்க கண்ணான்னா அந்த குழந்தை சொல்ல நான் தான் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஐ ஆம் ஆல்சோ ஆஸ்கிங் லைக் எ மதர். ஹூ இஸ் மை ஸ்டூடெண்ட், ஹூ இஸ் ஜானி, ஆத்மா ஜானி என்று கேட்கும் போது என்ன சொல்லணும்? நான் தான் நீங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லணும். அப்பா இன்னைக்குதான் என்ன கோல்டு மெடல் எல்லாருக்குமே. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. ஏனேதம் ஜானதே சர்வம் தத்கேனான்யேன ஜானதாம் விஜ்ஞாதாரம் கேன வித்யாத் சக்தம் வேத்யேது சாதனம். Another quoting from These are not quotations, but these are all statements. Not taking fully, but he is paraphrasing that. Brihadaranyaka 4.5.15, Kathopanishad, 3rd Valli, 2nd chapter, 3rd Valli, 13th mantra. Now, very, very important mantra. Yena idam janate sarvam. By the Atma alone, yena, by the Atma alone, idam sarvam janate. Everything is known. Everything is known. Anyena kena janatam. That Atma which is, because of which everything is known, how can you know that Atma by something else? Kena janatam. எந்த ஆத்மாவினால் எல்லாமே அறிகின்றோமோ அந்த ஆத்மாவை எதனால அறிய முடியும் இல்லையா? Because of which Atma you are knowing everything, how can you know that Atma by anything else? Repeat பண்றேன். Because of which Atma, the consciousness you are knowing everything, how can you know that Atma by anything else? Inga 3 points you have to understand. Chaitanyam is, because of Chaitanyam you know the flower. Okay, flower jnanam varudhu. In the flower jnanamla consciousness is evident or not? Enga consciousness kaanume swamini, and the jnanam the consciousness, and the jnanam itself is called consciousness. Chaitanyam alone helping you to get the flower jnanam. Now, the Chaitanyam is that which helps to know the every object. Point number 1. The consciousness is the principle because of which every object is known. Point number 1. That consciousness, can it be known by this flower? Because flower is jadam. Flower cannot know the consciousness. Flower cannot know the consciousness. Point number 2. Jadatvat. Jadatvat anya vastu. It cannot know the consciousness. Why? Other than Atma, every vastu is jadam. Other than Atma, everything is jadam. Atma knows the object. Can anything knows the Atma? It cannot know. Why? 2 points. Everything is jadam other than Atma, therefore it cannot know the Atma. Okay? Next point, there is no second. Okay, everything is jadam, therefore it cannot know Atma. There is second Atma can know the Atma, no? There is no second Atma to know the first Atma. So in the Atma, kena vijaniyat, kena sarvam vijaniyat, by which you are knowing everything, how can you know that Atma by anything else? Anything enna, either it is jadam. Jadam cannot know the Atma. When Atma enna theriyumanna, Atma cannot know itself. Eyes cannot see themselves. Adi madri Atma cannot know itself. Atma cannot know by another jadavastu. There is no second Atma to know the Atma. Itna points gnapakam vechukonu. 4 point. Atma alone knows everything. Through Atma alone you experience every object. Yena idam sarvam janate. That is first statement. By which consciousness everything is known. Yena idam sarvam anna all flowers, all mic, ellame. Idam sarvam janate. Statement number 1. Tat That Atma, kena, by which Jadavastu, kena, that kena, anyena Jadavastuna, Janatam. Kena, anyena Jadavastuna, because consciousness, because of that you are unable to know everything. That everything is what? Jadam. That is why you are able to know through the consciousness. They are all Jadam. Ena, anyena, kena, anyena vastuna, janatam. Is it possible to know? Because they are Jadam. Next line, Vijnataram, the knower, kena vijan vidyat, the knower can be known by what? The knower cannot be known by anything. The knower cannot be known by anything. Vijnataram means knower, pramata. Kena vidyat. See, pramanam, instrument can see only one thing. Only prameyam. Instrument can see only prameyam. 4 things are there. What are there? Pramata, pramanam, prameyam, sakshi. In the 4, in the pramanam, now pramanam, instrument of knowledge. Any knowledge you get through the instrument. In the instrument can see only one in this list. What is the list? Tell me 4. I told you. What are the 4? Pramata, pramanam, prameyam, sakshi. In the 4, pramanam irukkalaya, in the pramanam can see only one thing. But tell me the 4. Okay. In the 4, pramanam irukkalaya, instrument. Pramakaranam, pramanam. That which gives knowledge is called pramanam. Pramanam can see only one thing in these 4. In these 4, pramanam can know only one thing. What is that? Prameyam. Pramanam can know only prameyam, object. Pramanam cannot, first point is a pramanam can know the prameyam. Instrument can know the only object. Point number 1. Point number 2, pramanam cannot know itself. Pramanam cannot know itself. Eyes can see the flower. Eyes are pramanam. Flower is prameyam. Can eyes pramanam can see themselves? Pramanam cannot see itself. Knife, you are cutting with knife everything. Can knife cut itself? Pramanam cannot know itself. Can pramanam know the pramata? Pramanam cannot know the pramata. Really speaking, pramata is the agent who is using the pramanam. Eyes I am using to see the flower. I am the pramata. Can eyes know the pramata? The user of the pramata cannot be known through the pramanam. Why? I am using the knife. Knife I am using. Can the knife can cut me my hand? Which hand? With which hand I am cutting? With which hand I am not second hand? With which hand I am cutting? Can it cut its own hand? The pramata, the agent, the user of the pramanam. The pramanam cannot know the agent, the pramata. Pramanam can know only prameyam. Point number 1. Pramanam cannot know itself. Point number 2. Pramanam cannot know the pramata. What to talk of Sakshi? Pramanam cannot know the Sakshi Chaitanyam Brahma. That is why Phala Vyapti is not there, I said. Vritti Vyapti varukku da pohum. Adukapram Phala Vyapti doesn't require. That is the meaning. Vijñātāram kena vidyāt. Kena pramanena. Vijñātāram, the pramata, the knower, can be known. I, the Sakshi, am ever the witnesser, knower, never be the known. Chaktam vedyetu sadhanam. Sadhanam, the pramanam, vedyetu shaktam. It is only capable of knowing knowable object. It is always capable of knowable object, not unknowable object. Either some objects are knowable or unknowable. Now this flower is knowable to you. Okay, something is unknowable. In future it is knowable. Now present it is unknown. In future you can know it. Potentially unknown, future you know that. Some of them are known, either known or unknown. Kena vijaniyadana pramanam is vedye shaktam. Only knowable objects lo the pramanam is eligible, capable. That is pramanam only know the prameyam. Vedyena prameyatil. Shaktam, possible. Pramanam cannot know itself. Pramanam cannot know the pramata. Pramanam cannot know the sakshi. Pramanam has its own limitation. In the kannala atma paakaren enna artham? Paaka mudiyuma? Mudiyadu. Therefore, vijñātāram kena vidyāt. That is why Upanishadic background is required for Panchadashi students. Puriyarada? Taittiriya Upanishad, based on Taittiriya, the whole chapter, and based on Brihadaranyaka, Kena, Katha, Mundaka. Therefore, listen my previous Mundaka, Kena, Katha Upanishads. எதுக்காக அடிக்கடி சொல்றேன்னு தெரியறதோ? If you listen to that Upanishads only, you can enjoy this shloka. Without listening Upanishads, you cannot enjoy Panchadashi. Okay, next shloka. Savetti vedyam tat sarvam nānyastasyāsti veditam vidita viditabhyam tad pruthak bodhasvarupakam. This is from Shvetashvatara Upanishad, 3rd chapter, 19th mantra. Then second line is Kenopanishad, 1st chapter, 4th mantra. First line, Saha Atma Tat Sarvam Veti. Vedyam Sarvam Veti. Atma knows everything which is knowable. Vedyam Sarvam anna Prameyam Sarvam Veti. Saha Atma Tat Sarvam Vedyam Veti. Vedyam Tat Sarvam Veti. எது தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுமோ அதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கும் இந்த ஆத்மா. ஆனால் ந அன்யஹ தஸ்ய வேதிதா அஸ்தி. யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். அன்யஹ தஸ்ய வேதிதா ந அஸ்தி. There is no other knower. Vedita na knower. Anyaha means other. Other knower is not there to know this Atma. There are no two knowers, only one knower. The other Vedita, knower, Anyaha, other, na asti, not there, to know this, what? Atma. Vidita, Viditabhyam, second line, Kenopanishad. Vidita, Aviditabhyam. Vidita means known. Avidita means unknown. Vidita, Aviditabhyam tatu prithak. It is beyond. Bodhaswarupakam. It is neither, it doesn't come under known category. Atma doesn't come under known category. Atma doesn't come under unknown category. Vidita means known category. Avidita means unknown category. So it doesn't come under known category. It doesn't come under unknown category. But then enna category? Knower category. Sakshi. Next shloka. Bodhe Bodhepyanubhavo yasya na katham chana jayate tam katham bodhaye chakta tam katham bodhaye shastram Loshtam narasamakritim. Vidyaranya was fed up now. If ivvada சொன்னாலும் கூட அவனுக்கு புரியலன்னு நினைச்சுக்கோங்களே, அவன் எப்படிப்பட்ட ஆளா இருக்கலாம்? A clay in human form ன்னு சொல்றாரு. லோஷ்டம் நரசமாக்கிருதிம். Loshtam and a clod of mud. That person is a clod of mud with hands and legs. Narasamakrati. அவன் மனுஷ ரூபம்ல இருக்கிற மண்ணு மண்ணா கட்டி. நான் சொன்ன எல்லாம் திட்டுவோம் பாருங்க. வித்யாரண்யருக்கே பாவம், அவருக்கு தெரியாது சுவாமினி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் சோ பிரைட்னு. Swamini students are not like Narasamakriti Loshtam. Many teachers might have experienced such students. All bright students kadikkirathu kuda romba kashtam. Okay. Tam katham bodhayet shastram. How shastra I can teach to such a person? Who is that person? After listening everything, how to know that Brahman? Suppose anybody asks. After hearing up to here, suppose a person come and ask, Bodhi api anubhavaha yasya. Already is having this Atma anubhava all the time. I have already presented. இவளு சொன்னாலும் கூட அவனுக்கு புரியல நினச்சிக்கோலே. அப்புறம் சாஸ்திரம் என்னதான் பண்ண முடியும் அவனுக்கு என்ன? Therefore, let us see what we can do for them. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.